Hello and welcome to Jobs TV. My name's Matt Cook. I'm a director of a company called Recruits. Now, do you live in Ludlow and are you looking for work? Because if you are, stay tuned. I'm going to list the positions that we have. So we have packing operative roles, we have embroidery trainee machinist roles, we have vacancies for goods in. We have a permanent position for someone working as a sales administrator, and we also have a vacancy for a trainee printing operative role. Pay rates, they're fantastic. They start off at £11 an hour, folks, and the top rate is at £12.75. Hours, well, it depends on the role that you choose to look at. The trainee embroidery roles will be rotational, so you'll be working 6 till 2 Monday to Friday one week, and you'll be working 2 till 10:30 on the following week, rotational, week on, week off. If you are looking to work in the goods in area, that's working 8:30 till 5 Monday to Friday. For all the other roles, packing roles and the trainee printing operative role, that will be working on a rotational basis. So it'll be a week again of 6 till 2, and then the following week we'll be working 2 till 10:30, rotational. Now, there is a further bonus for anybody that applies for the trainee machinist role, on the embroidery should I say. For the embroidery, you are getting a loyalty bonus. So when you've served 3 months, you get an extra £500 into your bank account. When you've worked 6 months, you get £1,000 loyalty bonus. I can't believe I'm saying this. So if you're in Ludlow and you want work and you're interested in the roles I've mentioned already, please call 01746 768 666 or email me, Matt, on mcook@kudosrecruits.com. Thanks for watching.